63.
You guys agree, ladies? Do you agree? Yes, 63?
Yeah, because
so,
3 plus 3 is 6, and there's 3 right here, 3 right
so
here.
you're saying like 30 plus 30 plus 3, so that's 60 and 3 is 63? So I'm going to stretch it out. I'm still going to think about tens and ones though. My value of 6 tens is how much?
60.
60. Okay. My value of 3 ones is how much?
30.
I'm still going to stretch it out because for me, if I separate my tens and my ones, it just makes math so much easier. Do you guys agree?
Yes.
All right, so now I'm going to pretend I'm doing this problem. I'm not going to pretend, I'm actually going to do it. I'm going to take away 26. So let's pretend that these are something, okay? So who goes to the grocery store with their parents?
Yes.
Okay, so when you go to the grocery store with your parents, your mom, when she's going to get bread, does she say, go to the store and get me 10 slices of bread? Or does she say, go to the store and get me 1 pack of bread? A pack of bread, right?
Besides a couple slices is like.
And who has time to count out
$4.
slices of bread? When you go to the grocery store, isn't a bunch of stuff in packs? When I go to Krispy Kreme, my donuts are in packs, gum is in packs, candy's in packs. Like I can have packs of pizza rolls. It's all kinds of packs, right? And we do packs to make things easier. I can pick up a pack of pizza rolls. If I had to dig out those pizza rolls one by one, I ain't got time for that, right? So our numbers are in packs, but the packs are always how much is in a pack for numbers?
10.
Always a pack of 10, okay?
For numbers.
So now, I'm going to try to take away 26. If I expand out 26, what's the value of the 2?
The value.
What does it really mean? If 2 10 packs
Good job,
makes
Brian.
20. 2 10 packs makes 20. These are just single packs. So that 6 represents what? 60 or 600?
60.
6 ones, right? It's in the ones place, right? So that represents 6. Now let's take a look at what I got here, okay? If I look at my model, I'm trying to get 26 slices of bread. Okay, I know I can pull out my 20 easily, right? But can I pull 6 slices of bread out of this pack of bread? Or would
Not
I
until
need
you
another
buy it.
pack? Would I need to get another pack of bread?
Yes.
Because I don't have enough here to use 6 slices from here, right? So let me think about this. If I'm looking here in my ones place, because if you use this strategy, you might want to look in the ones place first. If you use the open number line, it doesn't matter where you look first. But when I'm looking in my ones place, I notice I have 3 and I need to take away 6. I'm looking at my model. I don't have enough in my ones place right now to take away 6. But where can I get more slices of bread from?
Another pack.
I'm just going to have to use another pack, right? Watch what I'm doing with my blocks. You ready? You ready? Watch what I'm doing with my blocks. When I move this pack of bread over here, do I still have 63 slices of bread?
Yes.
I do. I'm just changing the way that I'm thinking about 63, right?
And you're splitting them up.
I'm moving over how many slices of bread? 10. So
Good
now,
focus. Good thinking.
instead of having 60 slices over here, I have how many slices?
50.
50.
Nice job.
Instead of just having 3 slices over here, now I have 10 and 3, which is what?
13.
Now can I take away 6 slices?
Yes.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna use that for sandwiches, I'm hungry. And then I can take away 20. Okay, let's look at what's left. Ooh, I can see this. 3 and 3 is?
6.
1 more is?
7.
Okay. And 3 tens is?
30.
30 and 7 together would be what?
37.
So we're thinking that the difference is what?
37.
You guys want to check and see if we get the same thing on an open number line?
Let's do it.
Then I take away
Part.
my
Because the whole is what
answer
you're
would be the
dividing.
other part, right? So, but we don't want to take away because that's harder. We're trying to use what we know about addition and related facts and fact families, right? So what do we know? If we have whole, part, when I put my 2 parts together, I should get my what? Whole. So another way that we can think about this easier is we can think 14 and what other part would get me up to a whole of 68. So when you look at my number line, I'm starting at 14, just like this. I'm figuring out what I'm adding up. That's this part. I'm figuring out what I'm adding up to get to my whole of
68.
Okay,
Nice.
so this is my part. This is my whole. This is the difference. The difference between 14 and 68. So when I put my 40 and my 8 and my 6 together, you guys got up to 54, right? So that's my missing part. If I'm adding up to find a missing part and I know that that missing part is 54, that's my missing part, then what do I also know will go in this box?
54.
Nice job.
Does that make sense? So I wanted you guys to understand that it's still part, whole. It's just on a number line. So part, this represents your other part. I'll kind of show like this is also my other part. This is my whole.